Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting with the single most reliable fix. Switch to a wired connection. Plug a CAT5E or CAT6 cable from the Ps4 LAN port to your router, then power cycle the router and Ps4. Wait 30 seconds before restarting. Now navigate to Settings, Network, Set up Internet Connection, and choose Use LAN cable. This forces a direct link, removes Wi-Fi latency, and lets you configure IP and DNS cleanly. Follow prompts for easy setup, unless you need custom IP settings for advanced networks. Once the wired connection is detected, pick Easy to let the Ps4 obtain IP and DNS automatically. This often resolves most problems immediately. If you still can't connect, rerun setup and choose Custom to set manual IP or specific DNS values. Use 8, 8, 8, 8 and 8, 8, 4, 4 for Google DNS as a reliable fallback. If you encounter NAT type restrictions, note the Ps4 local IP and configure your router to place that IP in DMZ or create port forwards. Finish by running test internet connection from network settings. Confirm you have an IP, gateway, DNS, and NAT type that allows online play. If connection succeeds, sign back into PSN and check multiplayer. If it fails after the wired steps, try a different Ethernet cable and another router LAN port to rule out hardware. As a last resort, rebuild the Ps4 database or contact your ISP. Do not initialize the console unless you accept data loss. One key tip: swap cables before assuming complex fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.